Want to get started with teamwork.com but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to navigate the software, break down the key features, and help you hit the ground running quickly and efficiently. Stick with me till the end for an exclusive bonus that'll supercharge your experience with teamwork.com. Teamwork is a powerful project management software that's designed to help teams collaborate, track progress, and get things done more efficiently. Whether you're working with a small group or a large team, teamwork.com offers a customizable platform to suit your needs. And the best part, you can start using it for free just by clicking the first link in the description below. When you first sign up for Teamwork, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can easily create new projects, set tasks, assign deadlines, and much more. This is your workspace, where all the magic happens. On the left sidebar, you'll see several options like projects, tasks, and messages. You can quickly switch between these sections to get a bird's eye view of everything going on within your team. Starting a new project is simple. Click on the New Project button, give it a name, and choose a template if you'd like. Templates are perfect for teams that have recurring workflows. For example, if you're managing multiple client projects, you can create a standard project template that you can reuse every time. Once your project is set up, you can start adding tasks. Each task can have a name, description, due date, priority, and more. You can assign tasks to team members, attach files, and even set reminders. This is crucial for keeping everything on track and making sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. What's really nice is that you can use the boards view for a more visual approach, similar to tools like Trello, if that's more your style. But it's not just about tasks. Teamwork offers a great range of collaboration tools too. You can chat with team members in real time, share updates, and leave comments directly on tasks or project milestones. This helps keep communication in one place, reducing the chaos of back and forth emails or messaging. You can also track your project's progress with Teamwork's built-in reporting tools. With the Milestones feature, you can define major project objectives and track their completion, which is helpful for seeing the big picture and understanding where you stand at any given time. One feature that stands out is the time tracking tool. If you bill clients by the hour or need to keep tabs on how much time you're spending on various tasks, this tool is a game changer. You can easily track time on specific tasks, making invoicing at the end of the month smooth and hassle-free. But here's a tip. Use the integrations available on Teamwork. It connects seamlessly with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox, making it even easier to streamline your workflows. Now, if you're someone who values keeping your projects on track, you'll appreciate Teamwork's Gantt chart feature. It's great for planning out the timeline of a project, allowing you to see how tasks are related and track progress in real time. It's an excellent tool for project managers who need to coordinate multiple tasks across different teams. To wrap it up, Teamwork.com is one of the best tools out there for managing projects, staying on top of deadlines, and keeping everyone on the same page. And remember, by clicking the first link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial of Teamwork.com with some exclusive bonuses to boost your productivity even more. So, if you're looking to get started with Teamwork.com, take advantage of the free trial and start exploring all the features that will take your team's collaboration to the next level.